Hello, Pestilence here, and I haven't been on for a while. I've been dealing with pain management issues, which I'm going to have to deal with for probably the rest of my life. So anyway, this is one of the last locks that I've purchased, and it is a DK Miller. One of the first ones that they put out, one of the first pancake locks. And it was manufactured in the late 1870s. And it comes with two keys. They look like original keys. The difference between this one and, get your finger in there, there we go, and those is that it's nickel plated, as you can see. And it still looks pretty good. There's the other two that I have, and some of my locks. So there we have it. The first ones that they put out. Then this one is the next in the line. It doesn't have the what do you call it? The pin. And then this one is the same as this one. It just has the longer shackle. And then this one is the left side pin. And I'm using a new phone, so it has a much better camera. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.